Yo, what's good people, it's Cactus, and in today's video I can finally announce my 50k giveaway. And I know I've said this a few times already, but yo, I've just got so much love for you all, because 50k subscribers is just, I can't even explain it, man. When I first started the channel, I didn't really imagine it happening so quick, and it's literally changed my life over the past year, so it's only right that I give back to everyone. So thank you to everyone that's been watching the videos, liking them, commenting, sharing them, doing whatever you can do to support. I put up a poll a while back to see if everyone would want a free pack or a big giveaway when I hit the milestone, and most of you voted for the giveaway. So it's going to be real simple to enter. All you need to do is click the link in the description, enter the details, and I'll announce a winner in around about 2 weeks. It's completely free to enter. You don't need to buy anything. You don't need to make a beat. It's not a battle or anything like that. I just wanted to show some love back, and I've got some sick prizes to give out. As always, there's going to be 3 winners and different prizes for each place. The names will just be generated randomly too. I've got no control over it, but if you want to double your chances of winning, then go to my Instagram at jcactusmusic and follow the instructions on my post there. I've got over $3,000 worth of prizes to give out, which means it's my biggest ever giveaway. So let's get into the prizes. All right, so the first place winner is going to get the Lewitt LCT 440 Pure mic. It's the mic that I've been using in all my recent videos. I've been using it in my podcast too. So if you like the sound of it, then it's going to be one of the main prizes. Another piece of hardware that you're going to get is the Akai MPK Mini. I feel like this is a legendary piece of equipment. You're not going to get my old version, don't worry, you will get a fresh one sent to you. You'll also get a copy of the FL Studio Signature Edition, just because we don't do crack software around here. You'll get the complete shaperbox bundle and halftime. You'll get the complete baby audio bundle. You'll also get a year's worth of capsule audio. If you've seen my recent video where I make a dark orchestral beat, that was the plugin I used in it. There was some sick string banks, pianos, and other realistic vibes. My guy Ocean is going to give away a copy of his new plugin Elements, and I'm going to be giving away all of my sample packs and drum kits. Basically every pack on my site, there's a one-shot kit too included. So the second place winner is going to get a copy of FL Studio Producer Edition. They're also going to get the complete shaperbox bundle with halftime. They'll get a whole year's worth of capsule audio, the Smooth Operator plugin by Baby Audio, and all of the Cactus sample packs, drum kits, and one-shots. The third place winner is going to get the complete shaperbox bundle and halftime. They'll also get the Smooth Operator plugin by Baby Audio, and a big thank you to Capsule Audio too, because they're going to give away another year's worth of capsule audio to the third place winner. And the last prize is, once again, all of the Cactus sample packs, drum kits, and one-shots. So yo, some sick prizes to give out. Once you add them all up, it equals to about $3,000, which is crazy. So good luck to everyone. Like I said, check the link in the description. Just click the link, enter the details, and then I'll announce the winners in 2 weeks time. So I know that not everyone can win the giveaway, so what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to cook up a sample, and it's going to be 100% free for everyone to download. That way everyone gets a little something. I'm thinking about making some kind of melodic drill, but I'll see what happens when I start cooking up. So let's get into it. All right, so I'm going to start off with the strummed acoustic banking Contact, and we'll start by drawing in some chords. So I'm hearing it come back down. So I quite like that melody repeating, so I can maybe have this. Maybe come down at the end, could invert the C sharp. Maybe this one. I like that, and I could strum them now. Try changing the pitch. Quite like G sharp minor actually. Sounds quite emotional, but it could work. And let's add elements, seeing as though it comes as one of the prizes. So I just want a bit of reverb. Maybe a tiny bit of delay. And some chorus. And then bring back the mix level. Let's see what Arcade's got too. Let's go for maybe some distant voices. I haven't used Arcade in a while, but why not? What I'm going to do now is take the chords and paste them into some pads. I'll flick through some presets, find something that sits well underneath it. This one sounds sick. If I mute Arcade. Yeah, that's the one. Maybe I could copy these chords, bring them up an octave. Yeah, I think that fills it out. So I think that choir / pad sound can come in when the vocals from Arcade are playing. And then for the last thing, I'm thinking to add a piano. So I'm going to use this banking contact. And I think I could just copy the chords. Maybe even bring them down an octave. Alright, I think that's enough layers. I'm just going to start arranging it. Alright, so I'm going to copy it out a few times and just start arranging it. So I'm thinking in the intro, just have the chords. Then maybe the count melody can come halfway through. For the drop, maybe take the flutes out and keep these in. So this will be like the hook. Same again, and then you can take the choir out. And the piano, maybe just have this. And then the cat melody can come back in. And then the flute can come in here. Maybe the vocals. And then the hook again. So I could have something like that. And right now, I just want to change that flute. I'm not feeling the full thing. Just a bit simpler. So that's just a quick, simple way of arranging it. I could always change a few things, but I'm going to leave the stems in the same link so you can download the stems and arrange it any way you want. I know this loop was a little bit different to my usual vibe, but I was just getting a bit bored of cooking up the same dark orchestral melodies. So hopefully you can vibe with this one, add some drill drums on it, some trap drums, whatever you want. And if you cook up something with the loop, just send it me on Instagram at jcactusmusic. So I hope you liked the video and I hope you were feeling the sample. I'm going to leave a link to the sample in the description too so you can download that, use it to sell as many beats as you want, and hopefully it just inspires you to cook up today. But yo, a huge shout out to all of the sponsors involved. Make sure you click the link in the description, and if you want to double your chances of winning, head over to my Instagram at jcactusmusic and follow the instructions there. But once again, thank you all for watching and I'll see you next time.
Cactus.